Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to retrieve or create a new password in case forgotten in Landingsite.ai. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for Landingsite.ai and then open this link and then go to sign in. Now you need to input your email address and then press on continue. Now it will ask you to input your password. In case you have forgotten your password, you press on forgot password and then it will send you a verification code to your email, or you can reset your password and then input the verification code sent to your email and then press on continue, and it will ask you to create a new password, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.